Chapter 16. Has, have, had. Learn with me. Read and understand. Sneha has a toy. We have presents for Romil. You had a holiday yesterday. I have a pet dog. The verbs has and have show that something belongs to someone at the moment. The verb had show that something belonged to someone in the past. Remember, we use has with he, she, it and singular nouns. Have with I, you, we, they and plural noun. Had with I, she, he, it, they, you, we. Singular and plural nouns, that is all types of nouns and pronouns. Note: I, we, you, they, Ansh and Arya have many crayons. He, she, Arya has a beautiful house. He, she, I, we, you, they, Nancy had a dream yesterday.